Tip 83. Turn left and turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left and right. Going straight. Go straight. USA. Right turns should generally be made from the right lane and into the right lane of the new road, while left turns should be made from the left lane or center turn lane if present and into the left lane of the new road. It's crucial to yield to oncoming traffic when turning left and to pedestrians in crosswalks. UK. Vehicles traveling straight on or turning left have priority. That means that drivers turning right will have to wait for a gap in the traffic before making their turn. Drivers and riders should give way to pedestrians waiting to cross and must give way to pedestrians on a zebra crossing. Tip 83. Exercise. Crossword. Straight. UK. Crosswalk. Center. Traveling. Yield. Left. Traffic. Lane. Turn. Driver. Road. Right. Crossing. Vehicle. Pedestrian. Please subscribe to the channel not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.